Ilife Laundry Detergent Deep Cleans Blonde. It's natural and environmental, with no irritation. It is a new companion comforting life. Most clothing cleaning products on the market are alkaline, contain fluorescent agent, and add petroleum derivatives such as aromatic and dye. The unclean cleaning and residual ingredients cause skin discomfort and environmental pollution and other problems. Through lots of studies, we went on deep investigation. Ilife Laundry Detergent was born in response. Ilife Laundry Detergent meets all kinds of requirements of consumers on the washing products. Easy to float, removing stains, gentle and natural, suitable for machine washing and hand washing. Ilife Laundry Detergent's non-ionic surfactant cooperates with anionic surfactant, going deep into the fabric to easily clean the remaining stains. It extracts a lot of plant essence, softens clothing with no damage to clothing, so the clothing is soft and comfortable after washing. Without fluorescent agent, it protects the skin from damage. It is free from petroleum derivatives, composed of pure natural active ingredients. Now, let's look at the group of experiments. 1. Cleanliness test. Ilife Laundry Detergent has super cleanliness and decontamination and can conduct deep cleaning and decontamination. 2. Acid-alkali experiment. Traditional laundry detergent is mostly alkaline, so it is easy to destroy the weak acid bacteria on the surface of human skin, making the skin dry, itchy, and prickly. While Ilife Laundry Detergent is mild and healthy, and it is weak acid detergent free from stimulus. 3. Fluorescent agent experiment. Ilife Laundry Detergent is free from fluorescent composition and protects skin gently. 4. Natural ingredients experiment. Ilife Laundry Detergent contains pure natural active ingredients, free from petroleum derivatives. Health life is between drops. Ilife Laundry Detergent has super cleanness, saves time, is efficient, and cares skin. It is the best choice for your comfortable life.